All right. Let's look at question number 4 for 2021 technical drawing 2. I say 2. All right. This waec for 2021. Yeah. Let's look at question 4. It says in the link mechanism shown in figure 3, OA revolves clockwise about O. AB slides through a pivoted block C. Now, draw the locus of point B for one revolution of OA. Now, this is the link mechanism. Now, this is OA, the crank OA that revolves around the circle, and this is slide AB that slides through the pivoted block. This is the pivoted block, and from here to here, this is the pivoted block. So, now to start with, we'll draw the entire link first. Then we were told that this crank OA go through, revolves round, so that when it keep moving, so that means we're going to select point at which when this crank OA moves to this point, moves and moves and moves till it comes back to where it started from. So let's do that. Okay, let's move on with the solution. Okay, let's move on with the solution. Now, first thing is to draw the circle, which is radius 35. OA is radius 35. So what first thing is to first of all draw your center line, horizontal and the vertical center line. So we go like this. So now take your compass and measure your radius 35 for the crown to draw the circle. All right. Here is my ruler. I'm going to take the measurement 35. Here is 35. So I'll put it at the center. It is where the two vertical lines meet with the center line. Now this is my circle. Now I'll divide the circle into 12 equal parts using your set square, 30 by 60 degree set square. Good. Haven't done that, then we've divided it into 12 equal parts. Then we label the center as O. Then the first movement, the starting point, which is our OA, we locate that as our OA. Then now what's next is the slide AB, and we're told that the slide AB is passing through a rigid point C. So what we do now is to get our point C. How do we get that? We extend the horizontal center line to the right, to the right. Then from the question, our point C, the rigid point C, the pivoted block, is 90 millimeter far to the center of the circle, and also it is 15 millimeter high or downward or beneath the center hole. So what we do now is open our compass to 90 millimeter. We open our compass to 90 millimeter. Mark here, and at that point we've marked, we are going to open our compass again. Now from that place we marked, open our compass to 15. Then take it to that point of 90. Mark it arc. You can arc. Then use a straight line to join the two arc together. From here, draw it down. Now this point is our point C. That's our point C. So next thing now is to start picking different slides and the point on the slides. So now the first slide, AB, we'll draw that first to pass through the center. I'll put a dot to locate my center. Yes, that's my center. All right, now first slide. Okay, I want to use my short ruler. I'm using this. All right. From that point to this point to 40. You will make sure you draw the slide. It's required. Now then, this AB, this AB. Then also there's a point on our slide which is point P, and our point P is 30 millimeter away from point B. So we're going to measure 30 millimeter away from B. So from here to this point is our 30 millimeter. This is 1, 2, 3, 30 millimeter. This point P, P1. Let's start with that, labeled P1. So now is to draw different slide that will pass through this point and pick our point P on it. So the next one is, okay, we move to this next one. So we believe that, okay, when it revolves from here, let's say it stops, we pick another point here. We pick point on all this part of the circumference. All right, from here now to pass through the center. The measure is 30. Is P2. Is P2. P2. Then we're going to take another one. from here. P3, round down this part. P4. Then here, this point here seems to be an extension of the other one there. This one, it falls on the same line, which is from here to here is P5. Then we move to this point here. Now this is the line that is picking the point on this part. When the crank revolves to form a straight line to the center, so we will take it. It's also like as if this point A passes through it, so pick it from there. So it's following the same line with the initial one. P6. Then the next one is this. P7, followed by this. P8. Then here we go. Here as P9. And this next one. So from here to this party, these are point 30. Sorry, I blocked with question paper. Okay, this P10. Then we have the one here. Here, that's me. Okay, here P. This is P11. This P1. Then the next one is P12. From here, from backward, that's 30. So I have my P12 here, P12. So I haven't done this. We are done with the drawing. Mind you, this is a sign of direction. So meaning that this mechanism revolves to the clockwise side, revolves clockwise. So here are my points. I've picked all the points. Now what is left is to join the points together. So we're going to do that by using a French curve or protractor. Our French curve. Or we can also use broom to have a perfect curve and to make our work faster. So here we go. You can use broom such a way like this. Good. Then followed by this. Good. Then this. Okay. Come back to this side. Good. Good. Yes. So next is this one here. This is coming like this to this part here. So you do it like this. And you can see my hand. I draw this one backward and I shifted it this one forward. Alright, good. Then next is this one, which is very easier to do. It flows from here. Then here, in fact, let me do this one very well. I have it here. From here, I have it like this. And I also have it like this. Good. I also have something like this. this is a very short part that you can do with. You can do this place with broom. Right, this other part you can join it with hand. As you can see, I have my. You can see it. You can see it. So you can now trace your cuff line, darken it to be visible. Thick line is used for visible outline. So you can thicken it, but not too much. All right. Yeah, and that is it. This is our link magazine and the solution to question number 4. Here we go. This is our point C. Make sure you locate it. And that's all. Thank you.